Hello, embedded system lovers. So I discovered that everyone is building PCs and gaming rigs. But what if we build the computer itself, not a PC, a real 8-bit CPU from scratch using EasyEDA to continue our PCB design series that we began 2 months ago. So this video shows the internal logic of a register, the same building block used in the SAP-Plus TTL computer. But instead of wiring it on a breadboard, we design it like real hardware engineers, modular PCB by modular PCB. So in EasyEDA, every trace, every pin, every control signal is visible. Nothing is hidden. You can literally see how a computer is born. So if you want a full playlist where we build the entire 8-bit CPU as modular PCBs, ALU, registers, the program counter, and the control logic, just tell me in the comment section. Comment PCB Computer Series. If you are ready for a real hardware engineering journey, just comment in the comment section, type PCB Computer Series, and I will make this series come to life and we'll all learn together and simulate this together to continue our PCB design mastery. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel if you are new to this channel. Like this video so the YouTube algorithm can recommend this video to others, and to also encourage the growth of this channel, to also encourage us to keep uploading videos like this. Thank you for watching, and bye.